guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is actually Tuesday. I didn't vlog anything yesterday. Honestly, there was nothing really to vlog. I was really exhausted. I didn't really get any work done. I kind of just read when I got home from work. I went and saw Georgia, hung out with her for a bit, and then when I got home, my brother called me who lives in Sydney, so I spoke on the phone to him for like half an hour, and then I made dinner, and then I read, and then I went to bed. It was really not an extravagant day. I mean, today probably won't be either, but happy Tuesday. I don't have any plans for today, apart from to go to work and do all that sort of stuff. I have about 40 minutes till I have to leave. I always try and get ready an hour before I have to leave for work so that I can do YouTube work for an hour. I didn't get ready as fast this morning, so now I only have like 40 minutes, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna try and get some editing done before I head to work because I'd love to get a video up today. I don't think it's gonna happen, so it might go up tomorrow instead. But yeah, welcome to this weekly vlog. I hope you guys are having an incredible week. I don't know when this video is going up because I'm pretty backlogged with videos at the moment, but as I'm filming this, yesterday, Giorgio announced that she became a Gymshark athlete, and my heart is just like so happy because she's so excited, which makes me so happy for her. And I feel like I actually just posted a photo on Instagram kind of explaining my thoughts, but I'm just so happy for all my friends right now. I feel like they're all just like achieving all of their dreams and living their best lives, and it makes me so happy. Again, I mentioned this in my Instagram post, but I just think there's room for everyone to succeed and everyone to grow. And I just want to support every single friend I have in whatever endeavor that they want to achieve and want to work towards. So when they do achieve those dreams and goals, it's just so exciting. And I think it's way more fun to be excited than to compare myself to people. And I think comparison was something that I really struggled with last year especially. I don't know why, especially in terms of career and stuff. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm not as far ahead as some other people and blah, 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 blah. But I feel like now I'm in a really good place and I'm just so excited for all my friends, which is nice. I'm gonna head into my office. Liam is at an MRI at the moment for his knee. He injured it last week playing football. Oh, here's my outfit for the day. Beautiful dress, has pockets, very nice. He's at an MRI because he hurt his knee last week and they just want to make sure that there's nothing like super serious. They don't think there is, but they don't know. Let's get to editing. I changed my background for my laptop. I've seen a few people do this and I think it looks so cute. All of these photos are either from Pinterest or they're just my own photos, like my wedding photos. Like that's my photo, that's my photo, that's my photo, and that's my photo. And this is just kind of like an inspiration board, vision board, things that are important to me, things that I want to focus on this year. And I love it. I think it looks so inspiring and it makes me so excited. So I'm gonna get to work and do some editing, and I'll probably see you guys after I finish work. Good afternoon, friends. It is 5:30 almost. And as you guys have seen, I've just been editing all afternoon. I came home, grabbed something to eat, made myself a coffee, and sat down at my computer. It's a pretty normal day for me. I come home from work and start this work, but that's fine. I literally love it. So it doesn't really feel like work most of the time. But I finished editing another vlog and I also made a thumbnail for it on my iPad. So that is compressing now. I use Handbrake to compress my videos because they upload way faster. And then I am going to upload that for tomorrow. But Liam's gonna finish work any minute, so I think I'm gonna get into some comfy clothes. Maybe I should even start getting dinner ready. It's kind of early. And dinner is pretty easy tonight. We're making homemade pizzas and I'm so excited about it. Honestly, this is pretty comfy, but I love me some pajamas. I'm in the kitchen now making dinner and I'm just like laying everything out, getting everything ready so we can make some pizzas. I also just made some sweet potato fries. So hopefully those turn out really well. I've just put them in the air fryer.
Okay. Are those homemade ones?
Mm-hmm. That's okay. We're kind of cheating. We're not making homemade dough, but I'll show you what the end product looks like. Honestly, it doesn't look as pretty as I thought it would, but the stuff is all kind of underneath. But I've got chicken that I cooked with paprika and a bunch of other herbs, pizza sauce, capsicum, spinach, cheese, sriracha. I'm gonna also dip it in hummus after it's cooked. I think that's it. It's honestly pretty simple and pretty easy. And most of these ingredients we already had in the fridge, but this is such an easy and great meal idea. And then obviously cooking up some little fries in here as well. Pizzas are done and sweet potato fries are done. Honestly, it looks and smells incredible. I'm excited. Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. I just finished getting ready for work. It's like 7 o'clock and I thought I'd show you my outfit. Honestly, some days I love kind of figuring out an outfit for work and like making it look cute, and then other days I literally wear my like staff polo and some denim shorts and my Puma runners and I look so stupid, but I'm so comfortable. So I promise you this is not the type of effort I put in every day, but I feel cute today. So this is the fit check. Does anyone else watch, is it Swaggertron on TikTok? She's literally my favorite. I think she's hilarious. Anyway, back to what we're doing. Bodysuit is from Petal and Pup. Pants are from Everlane. These are my favorite white jeans. I think they're so comfy and so flattering. My shoes are from Famous Footwear and my belt is from Princess Polly. I've had this for years and it's still my favorite. Actually, my earrings are from Princess Polly as well. But I think I'm going to try and get some computer work done, and I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning, guys. It's not even morning. It's 4 p.m. No, it's 3:30. I got home from work a little bit ago. I had something to eat, and now I have a package to open from Officeworks. So I thought I'd open it with you guys. I'm very excited about it, to be honest. Woohoo! I got a new label maker. Okay, listen. Do I already own a label maker? Yes, I do. Did I need this one? No, I didn't. Did I buy it? Yes, I did. I did buy it. And when I told Liam that I bought it, he's like, why did you buy that? We already have a label maker. And I was like, shh. This one's different. She hits different. So this is the one I got. It's the one that looks really cute. And everyone on Pinterest had it. And look, I get influenced sometimes. I don't know how it works at all. How do you cut it? Oh, okay. This looks so cool. I want to use this to label all the stuff that I did in my linen cupboard last week that you guys might have seen. And obviously other things in the future as well. But I just think these look so beautiful. And look, there are some things that I just would really like to be aesthetic in my house. And my labels are one of those things. So this is what I got. Grey towels. I'm gonna go label my whole linen cupboard now, so BRB. Hello friends, I'm sitting at my desk. I have just been editing for the past, why am I showing you that? It doesn't even matter. Sorry. I've just been editing for the past hour. It's now almost 5 p.m. and I think I'm just gonna take a bit of a break and do some reading. My friend Ella, Smiley Citrus, go subscribe to her if you don't watch her videos. I literally love her channel. Oh my gosh, she was actually like one of my first ever YouTube friends. I went to her meetup in like 2015. I took the train into the city and went to her meetup, and I gave her, why am I telling this whole story? I'm just gonna keep going. I gave her a letter that just basically talked about how much I really loved her videos, and she ended up kind of like giving me a shout out. She ended up posting on her Instagram maybe a photo of my YouTube channel or something, and was like, check out this girl's YouTube channel, I really love her videos, she came to my meetup, I met her, she's really nice, blah blah blah. And that is literally, I reckon, how my channel really began. And she also connected me with so many of my YouTube friends that I now have. And Ella, if you're watching, if it wasn't for you, I truly don't think I would have the same community of people that I have on here. Back around 5 or 6 years ago, there weren't really that many Australian YouTubers, and so the ones that did exist were part of a really tight community. And so she kind of introduced me into her community and her friends on YouTube, and I met so many people through that. I met my friend Amy, who lives in Melbourne. I found out about my friend Millie's channel through her. There are so many channels, honestly, and a lot of them don't exist anymore, even if I'm like friends with them. My friend Gemma, oh my gosh, so many of them I connected with them through Ella, and through like her like giving me a little shout out, and then me being able to find this community. And honestly, the YouTube Australian community is so much bigger now, and there's just like so many more channels. It's like impossible to have such like a, I don't know, it's impossible to know everyone like it was back then. But I'm still friends with like so many of those girls, still watch all their videos. It's a crazy time. What I was trying to say is she has been posting some book recommendations on her Instagram, because she reads, and you guys know I love to read. And she posted this one literally yesterday, I think. It's called The Wife Between Us, and she was like, this is such a page turner, you need to read it. Like just talking to her followers in general. And I was like, yes, I will be influenced by you, and I will buy it on my iPad straight away, because I don't even have the patience to go buy it as a physical book. So now I'm up to chapter 3, which is not that far. I mean, I only started reading it this morning, and I just want to read it for a little while before I have to start cooking dinner. So that's what I'm gonna do. Good evening, friends. It is Friday night and I'm gonna go hang out with my bestie. She was like, give me a few options of the type of food you're feeling and then I'll like surprise you. So I think we were choosing between GYG, pizza and Macca's. Health queens, I know. George also just updated to the camera that I have. And so now we're twins again. Hello! Hello! Incredible. Thank you so much for getting that. That's okay. Let's go! It's busy date night! Happy Saturday, guys. We are back in IKEA. Basically just a weekly occurrence at this point. We just picked up some desk chairs and then we're going to try and look for one more item. Kind of hard to tell what they're going to look like, but this is what we've got. Almost the same as each other. Just packed the car. That's what it looks like. Very full. Here is our little IKEA haul. I got this chair, which I'm so excited about. This is going to go in my office and that's the pillow that goes with it. Then we both got the same desk chair but different bottoms. Like the bottom of Liam's one is just going to be stationary, I guess. There's no wheels, whereas mine will have wheels. And then we got a little rug to go under Liam's desk, which is going to go over there. When we actually have it, when it finally arrives, it's like stuck in the depot at the moment. We don't really know when it's coming. But yeah, here's our little IKEA haul. Liam's building his one right now. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Yes. To my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. Yes. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my. Liam and I are going to make some banana bread for this lovely Sunday. Spent the morning cleaning, kind of prepping for next week, which I feel so good about. It's like 9 a.m. now. And yeah, we're going to make some banana, I think actually muffins, banana muffins. Ready to pop them in?
Yeah.
Hello guys, it is actually Monday, and although it's technically the start of a new week, I wanted to finish off this vlog by showing you a little office update. So, I showed you guys this chair, and this is what it looks like in my office. It's just sitting in the corner in front of my wardrobes, which I honestly don't need to get into very often, so that's fine. And it has this beautiful peace lily next to it, and then also I built my little desk chair, and this is so nice. I was so sick of sitting. This is what I was using to like sit and edit for hours and hours every day, and it's just not the vibe. So I now have two very comfy chairs in my office, which is incredible. And yesterday afternoon I also went and bought a rug. So I'll show you guys that, and I think I'll actually open it and like put it in the room so I can show you what it looks like. So this is the rug that I got. It's one of these jute rugs. It's an oval shape. It's one from Target. So I'm gonna unroll this now and we'll see how it looks. I'm really excited. So this is the rug. I think it brings so much brightness into the room, which I love. Obviously this room is nowhere near done. There is so much to do to this room, but I kind of love sharing the little updates with you guys. Even just that, doesn't that look so, I mean, it's got rubbish on the chair, but isn't that so nice? I think I might even move this mirror over to this corner so you can see that in the background of my photos and when I'm vlogging like this, but we'll see. I'll continue to give you guys updates as the weeks progress and we slowly start putting our home together. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this weekly vlog and you're enjoying all the house updates and just all the life stuff as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.